So a lot of everyday people are suddenly using AI to analyze the stock market right now. Have you ever wondered if that actually works?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, it is a huge trend right now. I am super excited to look into whether these tools actually give regular investors an edge.
Right, because it sounds almost too good to be true. You just push a button and get stock advice.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
But we really need to look at what these tools actually do behind the scenes.
So let's start with general AI tools. Like, what does something like a ChatGPT style tool actually do for stock research?
Well, instead of a human spending hours reading a giant 100-page financial report, the AI just summarizes the whole thing.
Which is great because honestly, financial reports are incredibly boring to read.
They really are.
Yeah.
And smart users actually tell the AI to just ignore all the CEO fluff.
Wait, what do you mean by CEO fluff?
Like the marketing spin. They tell the AI to skip the sales pitch and only extract specific math and metrics.
Oh, so it just pulls out the real numbers. That is super helpful.
Yeah, it saves a massive amount of time.
That makes a lot of sense. But what about the news? Like, how does AI handle the overall market mood?
So that is called sentiment analysis. The AI can instantly scan millions of social media posts and news articles.
Wow, millions. That sounds impossible for a human.
Exactly. It takes the temperature of the whole internet. There was actually this one time an AI analyzed a Tesla earnings call.
Oh, really? What happened there?
Well, it noticed the CEO used way more uncertainty words, like 40% more than his usual average.
Wait, an AI can analyze the tone of a CEO's word choice?
Yeah, it is wild. It just predicted a stock drop before any humans even caught on.
Because he sounded nervous.
Basically, yeah, he was using more cautious words, and the AI picked up on that tiny shift instantly.
That is fascinating. So what about tools that look at the actual stock charts, the hard numbers?
There are these new visual AI tools now. They could literally look at a stocks chart like a picture.
Wait, they look at it like a human would, just analyzing the visual lines.
Yeah, exactly. They read the visual patterns and then instantly output a simple buy, sell, or hold decision.
That sounds so fast. Way easier than doing all that manual research yourself.
Oh, absolutely. It takes seconds. It looks at the momentum. It just tells you what to do.
Okay, so this brings up a really big question for me.
Sure. What is it?
What happens if you use all these different AI tools on the exact same stock at the exact same time? Do they actually agree with each other?
No, not usually. They often give very, very different pictures.
Really? How so? Give me an example.
Well, imagine you run them all at once. The financial AI might look at the raw numbers like revenue and say the company looks great.
Okay, so the math tool gives a clear buy signal.
Right. But then the sentiment AI looks at the news. It might flag that the market mood is super negative.
Like maybe there was a big scandal or something.
Exactly. Or maybe the CEO just sounds nervous. So that tool says hold or sell.
Wow. And what about the visual tool?
The technical AI looks at the visual chart, sees the price currently dropping, and signals a hard sell.
So you get completely mixed signals. Why is there such a massive difference between the tools?
It's pretty simple, honestly. Each tool only sees one piece of the puzzle.
Like just the math or just the mood?
Yeah, math, mood, or momentum. None of them see the whole picture at once.
That sounds super confusing for a regular person trying to invest.
It is. They are very specialized, but they lack basic common sense.
So that leads me to my next big question. Can we actually trust AI with our money?
I would say AI has some major limits. For one, it only uses past data.
Right, because it can't actually predict the future.
Exactly. It cannot predict unexpected real-world events or, sudden political changes.
So it's just guessing based on what happened before. Can you give an example of when the AI just gets it completely wrong?
Sure. AI really struggles with human psychology, like panic selling or herd mentality.
Oh, because humans aren't always logical when they panic.
Right. Humans get emotional. The AI also totally misinterprets human sarcasm in the news or on message boards.
Wait, really? Like people joking on the internet?
Exactly. People might use rocket emojis sarcastically while making fun of a bad stock.
And the AI actually thinks they are serious.
Yeah, it completely misses the joke. It sees a rocket emoji and tells you the stock is super popular.
Oh, wow. That is a huge mistake. But wait, doesn't the AI usually sound really confident when it gives you an answer?
Yes, and that is a massive danger. AI can be incredibly confident, but completely incorrect.
Really? Like even with basic math and numbers?
Oh, absolutely. AI has been caught miscalculating simple things, like the top stock gains or a fund's growth rate over 5 years.
And it just presents the wrong math as an absolute fact.
Exactly. It doesn't say it might be wrong. It just states the wrong number, like it is perfect.
That is terrifying because people will just believe it.
Right. In fact, a major survey showed that 64% of investment pros worry about this. They call it a black box problem.
A black box because you
Uh,
don't really know how it got that wrong answer.
exactly. There is a huge lack of transparency. The AI gives you an answer, but you can't see its work.
So you are just blindly trusting a machine.
Yeah, and professionals really hate that. They want to know why a decision was made.
Okay, so bringing this all together, what does this all mean for you, the listener? What is the main takeaway here?
The clear conclusion is that AI is helpful, but it is just not enough by itself.
So it's not some magic money-making machine.
No, not at all. Think of it like having a tireless research intern, not an all-knowing guru.
Oh, I like that. An intern who works super fast but still makes silly mistakes?
Exactly. It is a co-pilot, not an autopilot.
I love that co-pilot analogy. You still have to fly the plane yourself.
Right. You use the AI to do the boring research, but you have to make the final call.
You have to use your own human judgment.
Exactly. Never just blindly push the buy button because a chatbot told you to.
Well, here is a final thought for you to mull over. If every single investor starts using the exact same AI tools to find the best stocks, won't everyone just be making the exact same trades?
Oh, that is a really great point.
Right, because if everyone has the exact same AI advantage, it becomes the new normal.
Yeah, the advantage just totally disappears.
Exactly. And if that happens, will human intuition, our messy human ability to guess what people actually want, suddenly become the only real way to beat the market?
That is definitely something to think about.
It really is. Thank you so much for exploring this with us, and we will catch you next time.